I love to ride. Bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and I also like to surf. Windsurf, snowboarding. And so I wondered, can I surf on land? The solution was a combination of motorcycle wheelie and a skateboard. But the real question is, can we all surf on the streets in the city? The Tiltboard is built for roads, gravel, grass, and everything the city has to offer. Tiltboard can also be very polite, taken on bus, train, trunk of a car. Learning to ride takes a matter of minutes. Mastering it is an endless but fun endeavor. So how does it work? To start, lean forward using all three wheels. Once you get going, shift your weight to the center and balance on just one wheel. You can lean to steer and control your speed and braking with a flexible handlebar. Tiltboard has an electric hub motor. The batteries are easily removable, so you can buy as many as you need online. You can sum it up by saying it has the riding abilities of a bicycle while being compact as a board. You can actually work out with it or enjoy the cool wind in your hair. It took me 7 years and 50 major revisions to fine-tune my design. And this is where I need your support. I ask you to make a pledge and have one of the first Tiltboards out there. Practice, learn, teach others. Become a pro. I invite you to join the revolution of surfing anywhere. In the city, on your way, or just for fun.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm very excited to share with you here on Kickstarter a world's first of its kind. Carrying your keys on a chain or ring can be annoying. When we spoke to our friends, colleagues and families to hear what they think of keys, they all said that they scratch your phone, they rattle while you do sports, they don't look too nice and get lost in the moments you really need them most. So I rounded up a team of friends, and we, as a team, quickly developed a passion. And not knowing what we got ourselves into, we spent the past years designing and prototyping a new home for your keys. What came out is your new daily companion, which you are definitely going to love. We call it Carbon. Carbon will change the way you use keys. We believe it will change the way you manage daily obstacles. Let it simplify your everyday life using its comfortable one-handed snap mechanism to select your key and open your doors within seconds. Here, let me show it to you. Carbon is full of even more exciting functionalities.
Orphe is a smart shoes system for artists and performers. The sole of each shoe contains almost 100 serially controlled LED lights, cutting-edge motion sensors, a Bluetooth module, and an ARM Cortex-M3 processor. Finding a way to make shoes that have batteries and a host of electronic components inside them has been very challenging, but through close collaboration between a shoemaker and our engineers, we've been able to achieve a design that functions well as both an interface and practical footwear. The high-density, full-color LED lights embedded in the specially formed Orphe soles can each be controlled independently, allowing users to create unique, customizable lighting patterns.
ユーザーはスマートフォンやタブレットを通じて簡単に光のパターンをアサインすることができます。また、明るさや色を運動に応じて制御することができます。
Each Orphe shoe captures the movements of your foot and can send this motion data to an external device or application in real time using its onboard Bluetooth module.
それによって例えば、自分のダンスに同期した音楽演奏をしたり、もしくは自分のモーションによって映像の演出を操作するようなことができます。どのようなパフォーマンスやアプリケーションを作っていくかっていうのは、この靴に興味を持っていただいた皆さんと一緒にさらに拡張していきたいと考えています。
We provide a service that lets users share the lighting patterns, sounds, and interactions they've created online. Through this service, you can download other users' designs or practice dancing along with their gestures. We've also released a software development kit, so anyone can develop their own applications that make use of the Orphe hardware. We've prepared a framework that makes it easy to control Orphe's inputs and outputs. And using our open source tools, anyone can create and release applications for our system. Orphe connects various genres of creativity, from dance, music, engineering, and fashion to everyday life. We are excited to work with artists and innovators from all over the world to develop and expand this creative platform.